Hello, hello mga guys. Have a nice day everyone. Len Marie Musra. Welcome to my vlog. I'm cleaning the library mga guys. Please like and follow me, share also. Thank you for watching. Look at me. The library is very big mga guys. Ang amon nga library is very big mga guys. And may sinihan. Love you all mga guys. Kita nyo guys, ang among guys nga library guys, it's very big mga guys. Two rooms dyan mga guys, ang amon nga library. Guys, ang amon nga library guys. Ang amon nga library, 2 rooms. Very big. Super ka, dako-dako mga guys. And very nice mga guys. Please follow to my Instagram and my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe mga guys. My YouTube account is Marilyn Ramos. That's LY5DQ mga guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching mga guys. Proud OFW, Jordan with love, Len Marie Musra. You see the library mga guys, it's very big, amazing. Love you all mga guys. And look at that sofa mga guys. Ang sofa mga guys. Tapos may TV, tapos may sinihan pa mga guys. Kita nyo guys. And amo dyan guys, makita mo samtang diya ka sa amon nga library, you can see the view outside. You can see the mountain view mga guys. Very nice. Amazing library mga guys. Kita nyo mga guys. Love you all. Mawag anay si Len Marie Musra mga guys. While you are sitting in the library, you can see the view outside. Very beautiful mga guys. Thank you for watching. Love you all mga guys. Len Marie Musra, OFW Jordan with love. Maobra kita na mga guys. Love you all.